Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Code Hero. Today in this video we are going to make an WhatsApp bot. It's going to be a short code and an easy code. So first of all you have to install a kit. So just type pip install py-what-kit, and I have given this code, the code file, in the description, so you can install it from there. That I have already installed the py-what-kit, so it's showing me this. In your case it will get to start downloading. And now let's begin with the code. So first of all type import py-what kit, press enter, then type from date time import date time, so it will be importing the time system. Now type now is equal to date time dot now, open bracket and close bracket, press enter, then type mobile is equal to, we are going to take the values now. Type mobile is equal to input bracket apostrophe, enter your mobile number. This message will be shown in the run command, so you can type whatever you want. Then type message, then again the same command, input bracket apostrophe, enter the message, and you have to do the same for hour and minute. So let's type the hour command. R is equal to int bracket input, again bracket, enter R in bracket 24 format, then is equal to, then again apostrophe and two double bracket. As I said, you can type whichever command you want, means like in the apostrophe, so that the user will know that you have to type R here, you have to type message here. Same we have to do with minute. So minute is equal to int bracket input bracket apostrophe, enter minute is equal to, make sure you add a space after every is equal to, so that it will look good in the run command. So just type is equal to and then give a space bar. That's all. We have got all the inputs from the user. Now the next thing is that press enter and you have to type the main command, which is py-what-kit dot send what message, then in bracket we have to type all the inputs we have taken from the user, which will be mobile, comma message, comma R. Make sure you don't do any spelling mistakes here, comma R, comma minute. And that's all, our code is complete. Now let's just run it and see. Also make an habit to make your code look better, but before that make sure you log in your WhatsApp from the browser. So I'll just go to webwhatsapp.com. See, my WhatsApp is already logged in. So if you are not logged in, then make sure you log in from the web. So I'll just press the run button Now I'll type the number. Make sure you also write the country code too, not just the number. In India it's +91. Now type in your message, then enter R. You have to type the existing time and make sure you use time more than 1 minute. If you took the time, for example, if it's 8:55 now, then make sure you take 8:56. Don't take the exact time. So here it's saying that in 58 seconds WhatsApp will open and after 20 seconds it will be delivered. So now let's just wait for 1 minute. I will just fast forward this so that you don't have to wait. As you can see, my WhatsApp is already open. So it opened it by itself. It is showing starting chat, and as you can see it has already detected the contact and it has already typed the message. Now in 20 seconds it will automatically send it. Till then, make sure you like, share, comment the video and subscribe to my channel. I have given this file of the code in the description. You can also download it from there. See, it has sent the message. So that's all for this video guys. I hope you like this video. Thank you.